Hopefully you've had a chance to try these problems with the independent practice. I'm going to be going over problems 1 through 4. All right, let's look at the first one. It says use words and symbols to describe the value of each term as a function of its position. Then find the value of the 12th term in the sequence. Okay, so the 12th term, which is n, we're going to make that a 12. And then we need to find out what that is. But let's see what's going on. So you start with the third position, and I could add, if I add 9, that gets me to 12. Let's see if I can do that to the same thing. 4 plus 9 is 13. 5 plus 9 is 14. 6 plus 9 is 15. So what I'm doing is I'm adding 9. So if I know that 12 is my position and I want to know what this is, all I can do is add 9. 12 plus 9. So the 12th term in this sequence is going to be 21. Okay? Let's look at this next one. So I have 2. If I'm adding, it'd be adding 22. But I can't, when I add 22 to 3, that doesn't get me 36. So I would say this is probably a geometric sequence where you are multiplying. So 2 times 12 gets me to 24. 3, oh, I did a bad symbol here. I got to change that. Times 12. 2 times 12 is 24. 3 times 12 is 36. 4 times 12 is 48. 5 times 12 is 60. Okay, so that's what it is. The function that's going on is times 12. So now, if this n is going to be the 12th term, then I take my 12, times it by 12, and I get 144. All right. Describe the relationship between the terms in the sequence 6, 18, 54, 162. Then write the next 3 terms in the sequence. Okay, I know I'm not just adding numbers. I know I'm multiplying to get from there to there, there to there, and there to there. So what am I multiplying each time? I'm multiplying the same number. 6 times what gets me 18? 6 times 3. 18 times 3 gets me to 54. 54 times 3 gets me to 162. Okay, so it's a geometric, oops, I should spell that right. Oh, I did. Geometric sequence. And it is found by multiplying each number times 3. So I want to get the next 3 terms. So it's 162 times 3. I'm using a calculator for this because these get to be big numbers. 46. 46 times 3 is 1,458. And then 1,458 times 3 is 4,374. Okay, let's look at number 4. The table shows the amount it costs to climb at an indoor rock climbing facility based on the number of hours. What is the rule to find the amount charged to rock climb for X hours? Okay, so it wants me to figure out what am I going to do? What am I going to do to figure out my function that will get me to that, no matter what this is? Okay, so I look at what's going on here. From 13 to 21, 21 to 29, 29 to 37. I want to see if the same change is happening. So it looks like if I add 8, 13 plus 8 is 21, 21 plus 8 is 29, 29 plus 8 is 37. Okay, so everything is going to be $8 more an hour. So if my hours is X, 8. 8 times X. Now, if it was just 8 times X, I would put the 1 in there and it'd be $8. But it's 13. So I need to add another 5 to it. Okay? So I think this is my function, but I'm going to check it. So if I put a 1 in here,